Hello everyone, how are you? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be with all us. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Peace wishes. Before introduction, my name is Ahmad Gunawan. I come from Telkom University, currently pursuing doctoral education at the University of Science Malaysia, and Mr. Shamsu Mohamad from the University of Science Malaysia. On this occasion, I will present the result of research on the effect of using tie rope connection on the stability of building construction using bamboo material for sustainable technology in the field of building construction. The use of bamboo as a building structure material, especially in Indonesia, it's not foreign thing. The issue of using environmentally friendly building material instead of wood that can be cultivated with a life cycle or fast harvest cycle, so as not to disturb the balance of nature and facilitating the supply and content of material that do not harm living things, especially human, re-elevates bamboo into building material in current area. In one case of the failure of building structure from concrete, steel, wood, and bamboo is related to the problem of assembling, or it can be said that the connection factor is a weakness of the structural and construction system in building. Setio 2012. And techniques and methods of stringing bamboo and the tools used, one of the problem that is that bamboo cannot be notched and welded for the connection process because bamboo is natural material in the form of fiber arranged in parallel and physical in the form of a hollow tube inside. Gunawan 2020. The simplest connection tools and often used in a series of construction with bamboo material is a tie system technique. The fastening system technique in construction with bamboo material is considered the low strength connection tool Marisco 2006. And this study aims to open up development or engineering opportunities to improve the weakness of the system bending technique on the structure with bamboo material in a portal structure. Research methods use descriptive quantitative, make a observation, and then strengthen the validity test by experiment. Observation in the field show the type of material for connection technique by means of a tie that often used. Experiment make a simple model, then test in strength to answer to information. A literature review was also carried out through previously written journal. The following are the results of experimental model conducted based on the modulus of elasticity of the material that often used, namely by using fiber, wire, plastic rope, and used tire rubber. The result found are, if using fiber material, this connection tool is not damaged, it just shifts and is style tight. While using a wire, this connection tool is damaged but still bend. And next, if using plastic rope material, it was found that this connection was the connection was not damaged but become lost. Whereas when using tire rubber material, the connector does not shift, does not suffer damage, and the bond is still tight. In the experiment, it was found that the mechanical property of bamboo were influenced by the edge of the bamboo, the diameter of the bamboo, the thickness of the bamboo, the density of the bamboo fiber, and the position of the joints, the bamboo section, and the face material used. Conclusion from the experimental research, it was found the bamboo experienced swelling and shrinkage due to change in air condition related to humidity, or in other words, a change in the air content around it, but the rubber binder can be said to have the best performance based on in mechanical properties and characteristics, especially the elastic and plastic properties of the material. This research can open up opportunities for further research related to the modification of the tie system to connect bamboo and the engineering of material that are suitable for use connection tools. That's all my presentation, and see you next time. Thank you.